I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Next comes the I. I, we can write, I is almost like a line, right? I is like a line. One dot upper and one dot lower. So we can write like this, only two dots. This is I in Morse code. J, we have to remember something regarding J. We will write J not in capital letters but in small letters. So we will do this. 1 dot 1 2 3. Simple. So it translates into dot and then 3 lines. This is K. This is J. Next we come to K. K is, see, K is like this. Line dot line. I mean, this is K, right? So you have to write this. So it in Morse code it is written line dot line. In case of L, there is almost like this, right? Dot line dot dot. This is L, so this translates into dot line dot dot. This is L. M we will see this and this. We will focus only on into this portion of M. One line, another line. So this translates into one line, another line. Translates into one line, another line. This is literally M in Morse code. Only two lines. 1, 2. That is it. Next we come to N. N we will focus only into this portion. One line and dot. It will translate into line dot. It is Morse code. In Morse code N is like this. So we will see that A is just inverse, just opposite to the N in case of Morse code. N is line dot while A is dot line. O is very simple. We will see O are just 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Translates into line, line, line. O. Next we have P. P is not that simple. P is like this. One line, another line, and then here is the dot and here is another dot. This is like P. So we can write dot, first line, second line, and then again dot.